Hey everyone, Tom here from Learn PDR Online. My apologies, it's been a little while since my last video. I've been working on a few other projects that's been keeping me pretty busy, but I'm back to repairing dents, videoing the work that I do and bringing the PDR training to you. So today's video is basically a time lapse of my entire working day out on the road repairing dents. So in today's video we have 6 different vehicles, 11 different dents, and each one of these repairs is broken down into its very own repair tutorial within the Learn PDR Online membership. So if you are interested in learning paintless dent removal and you're wondering how to get started in the industry, what tools you need and the techniques you should really be focusing on, come and have a chat with me directly at learnpdronline.com. But for now you can just sit back, relax, have a cup of tea, pick your feet up and watch some paintless dent removal.